First, we want to open our glove box and then pull off our side trim. We can get access to it right underneath. Go ahead and just pull out. There we go. Pull from the bottom, pull from the top, just like that. And we can disconnect our rope. It just unhooks. We can lay our glove box down. Then we want to pinch the two sides in, just like that. Drop our glove box down even further, and it'll unlatch, just like that. Set it down. When we're pinching the sides in, we're just trying to get this little ear to go in out of its little channel. There's one on either side, so we pinch both sides in and then bring it down. Let me zoom you in. Next we want to pull off is this cover. There's 4 fasteners, and this will just pop off. We'll unscrew the fasteners with a Phillips, just as far as we can go with it. And then we'll pull on it. There we go. Got the clip out. Do that to the rest of them. If the base starts spinning on you, you can just hold the base with your finger. Oh, there's one on the side, I forgot. So there's a total of 5. There we go. So pull down from the top. Wow, this thing's really in there. Let me zoom you in again and we'll get to our cabin filter. Our cabin filter lives right here. In order to get more room, you may have to remove this tray. For that, you could just grab it from the back, push forward. There we go, comes out. And then now this thing here, we just pinch and pull out. It should slide. There we go. There, perfect. So we have an upper and lower that we pinch to release. Got one on either side. Pinch and release, and our whole tray comes out. Interesting, we are missing our cabin filter. So let's install one. On your new cabin filter element, some will say up and have arrows pointing in the up direction. This one says airflow. In that case, airflow is facing down. Just install it like that. Should lock in. We'll slide it back under. There, perfect. And then snap to lock. That's it. We'll put our little tray back. Snaps into place. We'll put our little cover back on. This should just all snap into place. We'll put our clips back in. Now our clips, we don't have to screw them back in, we just push them in. All right, let me reposition you. Now the glove box will go in the left side first. You'll see a dowel over here and a hole right here. So just put it in the dowel. There we go, all the way. Then the right side will just fall into place. Push it up so those ears lock into their slots. There we go. Put our rope back on, just like that. We'll make sure it shuts. Last is our side trim. Should just snap into place. There we go, we're done. Good job.